The Aam Aadmi Party has sought a referendum from the people of Delhi after the election results threw up a fractured mandate, with the party claiming that 8% of Delhi voters have given their view about government formation. AP will declare its final decision on Monday.
Adding a new dimension to politics, Aam Aadmi Party is awaiting the people's response on how they should go about government formation in New Delhi.
हमारे लिए तो यही पॉजिटिव साइन है कि आप देखिए 24 आवर्स हुए नहीं है और करीब 10 लाख के आसपास लोग इंटरेक्ट कर रहे हैं आपसे, हाँ ना कुछ तो कह रहे हैं, SMS कर रहे हैं, कॉल कर रहे हैं.
Personally, he says he's not in favor of a tie-up with any party. But Kejriwal says due to the unusual situation after the Delhi election result, he has no choice but to seek people's opinion.
जैसे ही चुनाव खत्म होते थे, चुनाव खत्म होने के बाद इस देश की राजनीति बंद कमरों से चलती थी. बंद कमरों के अंदर गठबंधन होते थे, अलायंसेस होते थे और वहाँ पे बड़े बड़े सूटकेसेस के अंदर पैसे दिए और लिए जाते थे और इस तरह से सरकारें बनती थी. इस बार पहली बार ये हो रहा है कि बंद कमरे के अंदर ये नहीं हो रहा है.
Lieutenant Governor of Delhi has given AAP time to make up its mind and get back with its response.
But the question is, will that response be in affirmative, and will we finally see a government being formed by the Aam Aadmi Party with the support of the Congress? Or perhaps we could be back to the question of re-elections in the next few months.
Even as the deadlock in Delhi persists, Kejriwal alleging there's a conspiracy to keep him and Anna apart.
There are very, very big political and vested interests in the country. जिनको ये लगता है कि अगर अन्ना और अरविंद एक साथ आ गए इस देश में तो एटम बम बन जाएगा, तो इन दोनों को अलग रखना है. और कई 100 करोड़ रुपए खर्च किए गए हैं मेरे को और अन्ना को अलग रखने के लिए, और ऐसी बहुत बड़ी बड़ी ताकतें हैं जो हमको अलग रखने की कोशिश कर रही हैं.
A charge that Aam Aadmi Party's political rivals have rubbished.
He has to look inside. He can't charge others. It is he who has betrayed his guru. But when they blame others for this, for their own follies, that's a comic part of it.
For now, Aam Aadmi Party is busy going through text messages and attending phone calls to make a crucial decision, a process they have labelled participatory democracy. With Pooja in New Delhi, Poonam Burde for Times Now.